So in today's session, we will discuss one Python program which will replace group of character present in given string by some other group of character. Or we can also call it as a Python program which will replace substring of given string by other substring. Don't get confused. Let's try to understand our problem definition with the help of one example. So let's assume that we have one input string like Mumbai is the best city. I like Mumbai. This is our input string. And our requirement is that we want to replace all occurrences of Mumbai by Pune. I don't want Mumbai here. I want to replace Mumbai by Pune. Okay, so I want the output string somewhat like this. Pune is the best city. I like Pune. So I want string like this. So I want to replace all occurrences of Mumbai present in input string by Pune. So we are going to write Python program for this. In order to write this Python program, we will make use of one method called as replace method. So first of all, let's try to understand syntax of this replace method. So this is syntax of the replace method. So here new string is a variable which will hold the output string. Then original string, again it is a variable which will be containing our input string, and on this original string we will apply replace method. Now let's try to understand the arguments of replace method. So there are three arguments which we need to pass to the replace method. So first one is old substring. So what is old substring? So we can say that it is a substring you want to replace in the original string, while new substring is the substring that will replace occurrences of old substring. So in our case, we can say Mumbai is the old substring while Pune will be the new substring. And what is count? So actually count is optional. This count specifies maximum number of occurrences to replace. If this count is not provided, all occurrences of old substring will be replaced. Now, here, please try to understand that replace method will not modify original string, but it will return a new string with replacement. Now, let's try to understand all these things with the help of program. Now, I will implement this Python program by using Sublime Editor. So, of course, you can make use of any editor. So, let's start. So, first of all, I will take one variable. Suppose old string is equal to. I will initialize this variable with some data. So, Mumbai is the best. I like Mumbai. Okay. So, here what we want to do? We want to replace all occurrences of Mumbai by Pune. So, I will take one more variable. Suppose new string is equal to then old string. So this is variable which contain our original string, right? And here we will apply one method, that is replace method. Okay, we will apply a replace method on this old string. So we know replace method takes some argument. So first argument is the old substring that we want to replace. So which is old substring that we want to replace? Yes, it is Mumbai. Then second argument is the new substring that we want in place of old substring. So here I want Pune. Okay, I want Pune. In place of Mumbai, I want Pune. Okay, and we have seen third argument is optional. So I will not specify third argument here. Okay, and now here I will print some messages. Old string is. So our old string is present in which variable? Old string variable. And then I will print another message. New string after replacement is. So our new string after replacement is present in which variable? Yes, it is in new string. Now let's save this program and let's run it. Okay, now see here you can see the output. So here old string is Mumbai is the best. I like Mumbai. Okay, and what we did? We have performed a replacement. We have replaced Mumbai by Pune. So that's why we are getting new string after replacement like Pune is the best. I like Pune. So here please try to understand that Mumbai has been replaced by Pune. So in this way, we can perform replacement by using a replace method in Python. Thank you.